Okay, welcome back to the BSN channel. Today is lesson 2 on the tree, Asante dialect of tree. Today will be with my mother, greet the people, mom.
Hi, people.
And seeing as we're learning tree, you might as well greet them in tree.
Oh, me chiachiamo.
I mean, I greet all of you, yeah. It's about how to introduce yourself, okay? So, the first phrase of how to introduce yourself would be, do you speak English?
What a brofo? Or, what can brofo?
Yeah, do you speak tree? So, say that again, please.
What's the question again?
Do you speak tree? No, do you speak English?
What can brofo? It's a question. What can brofo?
Okay. Just a little.
Meka kakra kakra. Meka kakra kakra.
What is your name?
We didn't say. We didn't say.
My name is Efia.
Me didn't Efia. Me didn't Efia.
Mr. Like a man. Like, you know when you're dressing Mr.
Papa.
Mrs.
Mommy.
Nice to meet you.
Me depi se me shiamam. Me depi se me shiamam.
Say it one more time slowly, please.
Me de se me shiamam.
You are very kind.
We ni papa. We pa. We papa.
I'm from abroad.
Me free abrochre. Me free abrochre.
And let's give an example of a country. I'm from the UK.
Me free abrochimem broni fita krum.
She brought some strong tree. I thought she was gonna say UK. Okay. I'm British. Like, you're not saying I'm from, but just saying I'm a certain nationality. So I'm British.
Yeah, me free abrochimem.
Okay.
Broni krumpa.
Where do you live?
What hene? I find out what here. It's true. What hene?
Or
I find out what here.
So, say both of them slowly so people can.
I fa ena woti. Ana I fa na ufri.
Okay. I live in Ghana.
Mete Ghana memu.
Did you like it here? Did you like it here?
Weniji wo Ghana ha. Weniji ha. Weni eji aha.
Ghana is a wonderful country.
Ghana you kro papa ya. Ubia eni jihaye. Ghana ye pa.
How would you say it? It's simple?
Ghana is what? Is a beautiful country.
Yeah, wonderful, great.
Ghana a baby part is a eni wo. Papa.
What do you do for a living?
A dear ejuma na woye. A dear ejuma na woye.
I work as a farmer. That's just an example.
Me ye ekuya. Me do afuo.
Okay, so it's
me
I am so and so.
Farmer, which is ekuya ni.
I've been learning tree for 1 month.
Mesua Asante kasa no be bosumeni.
Say that.
Mesua Asante kasa be bosumi eni.
Okay. How old are you?
Wanya mfie ahe or wanya mfie sen.
Okay. Repeat one more time.
Wanya mfie ahe or wanya mfie sen.
I'm 20 years old.
Menya mfie aduonu. Menya mfie aduonu.
Okay. I am 30 years old.
Menya mfie aduasa. Menya mfie aduasa.
So the number comes at the end.
Yes.
I have to go.
Etwasemeko. Osemeko.
Say it slowly, please.
Ewo semeko.
I will be right back.
Mesaba enche. Mesa maba enche.
Okay, that's the end of that lesson. Is there anything you want to mention quickly before we end the video? I hope that was helpful. If it wasn't helpful, please say why. Leave comments. If you have any questions. I hope you liked. As my brother will usually say, but I'm going to say it. If you like. If you dislike. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Peace. Okay, welcome back to the BSN channel. You're joining with my mum. Mother, greet the people, please.
Hi, people.
Today we're going to be doing the first tree